Hey, it's Patrick. I'm back with another pro tip on how to write effective prompts for Create. Today we're going to talk about writing fix in your prompts. This is great for making small changes on a site. So here's a quick website that I made for a portfolio with a very short prompt. So as you can see, the AI model is going to make some guesses about the content that should go on the page. Let's say I want to make a small change to this though. I can come in here and I can describe what I want. I can just write fix, and then I can say, make the card have a white background and a shadow instead of being transparent. And the more specific you get, the better it'll do. I'll go ahead and hit generate and it'll make an update. Great, so as you can see that this is coming in, it's changed the background to be solid white. Now, another thing to note is once this has happened, Create actually remembers the status of your project and the iterations that you've made. So you can go ahead and delete that fix. I can click generate again, or I can make other suggestions to my prompt, and it'll remember that I wanted that to be a solid white background. Another pro tip, you can come in here if you want to isolate particular parts of the page. I can come here, I can take a screenshot, let me paste it in, I can say, add more information about me. I'm also a ops and growth specialist, not a developer. I'll go ahead and hit generate. So now you can see that it's added more information to the page. This is a really great way to target specific changes to portions of your Create project. One thing to note is that if I come down here and click retry instead of generate, this will actually reset the entire project. So if I go ahead and delete this and I click retry, it's actually going to generate a different variation. And in this case, it didn't assume the content that we wanted to fill in. So if you want to get a new fresh try, you can always hit retry, but fix is really great for iterating. And if you ever get somewhere that you're not happy with, you can always revert to the prior version. I hope this helps. Excited to see what you create.